Hi friends, welcome to our channel Foodies Corner. Today I am going to show you a dokla which is very popular in Gujarat. Let's start the recipe. I have taken 2.5 cups of besan flour. To this I am adding green chili paste 2.5 teaspoonful. Now I am adding 2 teaspoonful of oil. Now I am adding 1.5 spoon of salt. Again I have taken 2 spoon of sugar. Next we will add 2.5 tablespoon of curd. Lastly, I am adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. It is 1 teaspoonful. To this, I am adding water to make a thin slurry. Mix it properly, guys. Now I am adding 1 spoon of jeera and 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. You can add it previously also, guys. Again mix properly. And the consistency should be like this. Now we'll prepare a tadka. To this I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of urad dal, after 1 minute we add some mustard seeds, one spoon of jeera, two to three chopped green chilies, and some curry leaves. Guys, this is going to be amazing. I am sure that you all love this. See, our tadka is done. After 1 hour, our slurry is also ready. Let's transfer this into the aluminum trays by applying some oil over the surface. Rub this properly to all the surfaces. I have taken 2 packets. I am adding to this mixture. Mix it properly. After mixing thoroughly, we will pour the mixture into the aluminum tray. We should add the mixture up to 3/4% of the tray. Some amount is left, we will make it later. Now I am adding these two trays to the preheated cooker for 10 minutes. Cooker is very hot, friends. Please use the gloves while placing the tray in the cooker. Now we will close the lid without cooker whistle. We will heat it into the medium flame for 10 minutes. Now the left little part I have kept into the oven for 3.5 minutes. That is in Insta 1. Now our cooker portion is ready. After 10 minutes, we will transfer into the plate and we will make a lemon and sugar syrup. I have taken half lemon juice. To this I am adding half cup of water and 3 spoon of sugar, that is teaspoon. Mix it properly and make the syrup. Now we will pour the syrup onto the dough glass. Pour it sufficiently, guys, so that it can penetrate throughout the bottom. Now we will cut into slices. I am cutting into 2 different shapes. Now pour some more quantity between the slices and then top it with tadka, that is previously prepared. Spread it evenly over the top. Now again pour some syrup and tadka over the top. This is the previously one which I have prepared in the oven. I have topped with some coriander leaves as well. I have served it into the plate. See, friends, fluffiness. Please do try this at home. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel Foodies Corner. Thank you.